ready to unlock the full potential of the Tron blockchain. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about the TronLink Wallet, from installation to advanced DeFi strategies. First, head over to the TronLink website or your preferred browser's extension store, search for TronLink and make sure you're downloading the official version to avoid scams. Click Add to Chrome or Install, then confirm the installation. Once installed, the TronLink icon will appear in your browser's extension bar. Click on the icon to open the wallet. If you're new to TronLink, select Create Wallet, read and accept the terms of service, then create a strong password, something you won't forget but others can't easily guess. Next, you'll be presented with your mnemonic phrase, a series of 12 or 24 words. This is crucial. Write it down on a piece of paper and store it in a safe place. This phrase is the only way to recover your wallet. If you lose access, never share it with anyone. TronLink will then ask you to verify your mnemonic phrase to ensure you saved it correctly. Now that your wallet is set up, let's explore its features. The main interface shows your TRX balance and other TRC-based tokens. Use the send and receive buttons to manage your transactions. To interact with dApps, use the built-in browser. Just click on the Discover or dApp icon. TronLink also lets you participate in staking and voting to earn rewards. Navigate to the staking or voting section to explore these options. Remember to keep your wallet secure by enabling two-factor authentication and regularly reviewing your transaction history. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using TronLink. Remember to always practice safe security habits and enjoy exploring the vast Tron ecosystem. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials.